All right, so as we get closer to the show dates, you will probably want to purchase tickets. When you click on the website, this is the site you should be brought to. And in order to purchase tickets, there are a couple of different ways to go about that. The most simple option is to right here on the homepage, simply select the date you are hoping to attend. But if you would prefer, you can go down to tickets and click through the dates this way. There are 2 shows on each Saturday and each Sunday. Make sure you pay attention to those show times and select the one you are hoping to attend. When you find the show you are hoping to attend, you should click into it and you will have some options here. The first options you should notice is that you are going to need to select which type of seat you would like to purchase. You could sit in the first and second rows, the third and fourth rows, or any of the remaining seats behind the fourth row. If you do not care exactly where in the row you sit, you are welcome to just select the quantity of those tickets you would like. As a reminder, you should purchase no more than 2 seats in the first and second row and 2 seats in the third and fourth row per show in order to allow all students to have the opportunity to have guests use those seats. So if you wanted any seats in the first and second row, you would simply click the quantity, 2 seats, and go to checkout. If you are concerned about where you sit, or you would like to pick the exact seat that you want to sit in, then you would choose this option up here where it says choose your own seats. When you click into it, you'll be brought to our seating chart. On your seating chart, you can see the 2 seats that I had already selected. I could click on the third and fourth row on the far side of the gym, and I can see that these 2 green seats are the one I selected. If those are not the 2 I want, I can simply head to a different row, select tickets that I would like to purchase. They will also turn green and add them to my cart. If I did not want seats anymore, I can simply come over here and X them out. I no longer have the seats in the third and fourth row. Perhaps I would like these seats instead. And now I have those seats in my cart. When you have selected all the seats you would like, maybe I'll go down here and purchase a few of these as well. Now I have a total of 5 tickets in my cart. I can see on my chart here, I have the 2 up here and then the 3 down here selected. When I am ready to check out, I can come down here and hit checkout, or go back out here and hit checkout. My seats will be identified over here on the side. I just need to fill out some simple information. You may pay right here with your credit card and your billing information, and then you may check out. You would then be given an email with your tickets in them. You would just need to bring that with you to the show. We will also have tickets available to purchase at the show, but this is the best way to guarantee that you are getting the seats that you prefer for each show. If you have any further questions or you are unsure about which date your child is performing on, please feel free to send us an email and we can help you out with that information. Have a wonderful day.